Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create vertical text in Canva. So as you can see, we are in Canva and we've got our two vertical texts here. So we've got one that we have just rotated, and then we have our second one, which is text actually going down vertical. So I'm going to show you how to create both of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the text in the left-hand side, and then we're going to press add a heading. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to type in guide, and then what we can do is, as you can see, we've got these two arrows together. So if you press those down and then move it, as you can see, you can rotate your text any way you want. So you can go all the way upside down, or like we said, just vertical. There we go. Okay, and then the next way to get your true vertical text, we're going to press add a heading again, and then I'm going to do the same guide, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press enter under each in between each letter, and as you can see, they are just moving down. So as you can see, we've got our text now vertical. So there are some gaps between the letters. So what you want to do is come up to the top bar here, and where it says spacing and then line spacing, you just want to potentially make that sort of smaller and wherever's sort of comfortable for you. So I've got the whole thing highlighted. And then we can, there we go, then that moves all of the spaces. You can also increase or decrease the text as well. And you can do that by doing the plus minus for the font size, or by dragging one of the corners down. And then obviously, like we said, you can use these arrows for the spacing and make sure that you've got it just right, and however you want. So that's it, guys. I really hope that you found this video useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.